Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've got a little strategy on how to help you to 100x or make more money, right? So this is what you want to hear, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and at the same time smash the like button, because I will guide you from scratch so you could see on what I'm doing to make more money on Shitcoin or memecoin. So we are going to be using CoinMarketCap. So I see no reason why a lot of you guys don't get to watch the video to the end, because at the same time you'll be the one not getting all the information very clearly. So you get on your CoinMarketCap. I'm going to be leaving now website in the description. Make sure you watch this video to the end because it's a very short video. You guys enjoy short video, so you guys can just see that search icon right there on CoinMarketCap. You need to click on that CoinMarketCap search icon right there. So after you click on there, you will get right here and you see all these coins right here that is indicated as trending. So what you do is that you go check them up one after the other, then you could be able to find that altcoin that people are currently searching on. So what you do is that you get on there, search on each coin, check on them. If you check on them, then what you want to do is to make sure you buy in when a coin is on a low volatility, when you see that the coin is on a bearish movement. Right now the coin has increased and this may not be a good time to go bargain in this coin. So what you want to do next is to make sure you put in like $10 or $5. I advise you to not go all in on coins like Shitcoins. I don't know if this one is Shitcoin or anything, so just try to make more research. I have a video that is a guide on Shitcoins on how to back them and also to find out the rock pool ones. So what you want to do is to watch that video to the end. That video is on my channel. Try to get on the channel, you will get it, and if you still go down in the description you might also see it, but getting on the channel will be more better. So the next step would be to get on your YouTube, then you go on your search icon right there. If you get on there, what we want to do is we want to form of like check if the coin have a lot of people promoting it or saying a lot of good things about the coin or anything like that. If there are like plenty engagement about the coin, as you can see people are making video about the coin and all of that, then that would be a good coin to hold on when it comes to buying a coin. But these actually are shitcoin in my case, or a meme coin, that's what they call it, but we call it shitcoin because they are not going to last and they are only for short term potential. So you guys can just see that there are plenty post about it. Okay, so what you do is to now relax a little bit and monitor on the coin, or when the coin is going to go down drastically, then what you are going to do is that you try to put in like $5 or $3, and after that, if everything pan out well for you, if you hit on the mark, then what will happen is that you try to take profit. Always try to take profit, and this will help. So this is a simple strategy, and let me know what you think in the comment, and try to share this video to all of your friends, and this will help a lot to also grow the channel. And I hope you have a beautiful day, and don't forget to check most of the videos I have on the channel for you, and that will mean the world to me.